In this video, I will show you how to run Android TV on your Windows PC, be it Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. With Android Studio installed in your PC, you'll be able to stream contents, use dedicated TV interface right on your desktop, and you will also be able to download games or apps from the Play Store with Android Studio emulator. And so I will be guiding you on how you can do that with your Windows PC. Let's get started. In order to do that, simply open your web browser and on the address bar type Android Studio. Once this opens, click on this particular search result. Now this will take you to this particular page. Once you are here, click on this download Android Studio Query 1. Now, the moment you click on it, you will be expected to accept this license terms and agreement. Now, simply click on this and then you click on download. With this, your download will begin immediately. The moment your download is done, you can just simply locate the folder directory where it is located. Now, having downloaded it in my PC, I'll just need to double click on it and then I will begin with the installation in my PC. I will guide you on how you can actually do this installation in your PC. Just make sure you watch to the end so that you don't miss any step on how you can actually do this right on your PC. Here now, you just have to simply click on next. Now make sure that these are selected. Once you are sure they are selected, you click on next. Now you can just choose the location in your PC where you want this to be installed, but you can just leave it at default with this one that is selected. Now simply click on next. Now click on install. Once you click on install, the installation will immediately begin. Click on next and then you can just simply take this to start the Android Studio the moment you click on finish. Now you wait for this to get started in your PC. Just simply click on don't send. Here I want you to pay keen attention because I wouldn't want you to miss some settings here. Now here you are going to click on next. Now you select standard and then you click next. Now you just click on next and with this it will install all the necessary components that are needed. Now simply accept it and then you click on next. Now with this it is installing all the necessary requirements or the components needed for this Android Studio to get started or to get set up in your PC. Now, the moment this is done installing, you can just simply click on finish. And then here we are going to do a whole lot of settings. You can just click on this update to quickly update this Android Studio to have it at the latest version running in your PC. Click on more actions and then virtual device manager. Once you have done that, you need to create a new device manager. You simply allow this to run in your PC. Click here to create new device manager. Since we are looking at installing Android TV in our PC, simply select on this TV, then select this particular one, television 1080p. Click on next. Give it a dedicated name. Let's say you have it as Android TV. Here you can see we have different versions of Android TV, and then Android TV 16.0 is the latest version. Click on this particular one to download the system image. If it is not yet downloaded in your PC, click on this download and then the download will begin immediately. Click on finish. Click on additional settings. Change this default boot to code With this, it will ensure that there's no black screen whenever you on your Android TV. You can also increase this to either 16 or 8 GB. You can set it to 3 GB, and once you are done, you can just simply click on finish. With these settings, you can see your Android TV live here. You can click on this to get it started. With this, the Android TV is being initiated in your PC.